What's up, y'all? How you doing? It's Trenius of the infamous Living Room Network. So I'm about to tell you exactly how things manifest, okay? Nobody's ever told you this. I think I'm one of the few people in the world that knows this because I've spent like 3 or 4 years, my whole life, trying to understand how manifesting works, how things come to you. I'm so infatuated with the universe. I'm so infatuated as to how things align up. But I can never pinpoint the perfect formula, but I can say I know more than most people. So I'm about to tell you what I know. I'm about to tell you exactly how most things have manifested for me in my life, because I've manifested a lot of things. I manifested small things. I manifested middle-sized things. I've manifested big things, but not a lot of big things. And I'm going to tell you the difference between manifesting bigger things versus manifesting something real tiny and something real small, okay? So let's get right down into it, folks. Divine powers are always working for you because we're trying to do right. For us, because we're trying to do right. It's the first time I said that, but it's the same thing. You is just like me. But anyway, folks, I know if you're a subscriber, you probably done heard me talk about stuff like this over and over and over again, but it seems like every time I talk about it, it becomes more clear. Don't you feel like the more conscious you become, it's like you see how simple things really are, like versus you not knowing and having no knowledge and understanding or having no level of consciousness, and it seems so confusing. Now you just starting to realize, wow, everything is so simple. That's the same thing with how things manifest. Now, this is how things manifest. Folks, as soon as you set the intention for whatever it is that you want, right after you set the intention, you have to know that it's already yours, okay? Did y'all hear me? I'm going to say that again in slow motion. Right when you set the intention for whatever it is that you want, you speak it into the universe that you already have it. Listen to the affirmations. You have it. It's yours. You can see it in your mind's eye as you speak it into existence. Remember, everything that you speak into existence, it must be as though you already have it. Thank you for letting me receive this new sofa that you ain't even got yet. You don't even have it yet. Thank you for letting me be able to go to the grocery store and buy groceries. You know, thank you. Gratitude. Now, after you do that, even though you don't have it in the back of your mind, you know you don't have it, but consciously, you have it. Okay? You have to act on it. Act on it. Act on it. And when I say act on it, what I mean is forget that you set the intention, but continuously live your life in a forward direction. Live your life in a forward direction as though what you just prayed for or what the intention that you just set, it's already yours. It's already in motion. Now, what's going to happen after that is if you did the intention part right, and if you're really, living your life regularly and continuously live forward in positive energy in expectation that everything that you just put into the universe is rightfully yours, you're going to come in front of something called signs. You're going to begin to see signs in the universe. Now, when I say signs, I don't mean like a street sign, like a stop sign, and nothing like, nothing like that. When I say signs, I mean the universe is going to begin to talk to you in little weird, mysterious ways. Now, the universe talks to everybody in a different way. According to how you are genetically, mentally made up, folks, that's how the universe is going to signify to you that it received your message of your intention or prayer, and you're going to understand it. But nobody else will never understand, your prayer that you said, because the universe can only talk to you for the thing that you prayed for, the thing that you set the intention for. That's what a lot of people don't realize. A lot of people think that other people can see that the universe is sending them signs. No, the universe cannot see. Nobody else can see that the universe is sending you your sign according to what you want to manifest. It don't work that way. The universe only talks to you for how you understand it, okay? And you just have to be aware enough to see the universe's coincidence in its little mysterious ways that it tries to get the message to you that it heard your prayer, it heard your intention, it knows your desire. I'll give you an example. For me, I moved to LA. I moved to Los Angeles, California. This was something that I set an intention for maybe 1.5 months ago, right? I moved to LA. Although I have not moved to LA yet, I moved to LA, Los Angeles, California. Now, what happened after I set that intention and told myself that I moved to LA, I am in Los Angeles, California. I visualized myself being there. I could see myself being there. I look at YouTube videos and stuff like that of places in California to get the images in my mind of what it looks like there. So when I'm not in front of those images that I'm watching, I can see California. I can see Southern California in my mind's eye, and I can just be happy that I'm already there in my mind's eye. Now, I forgot about it. I forgot that I even set the intention of moving to Los Angeles. Now, you know, maybe 3 or 4 weeks later, I have other people who know that I set the intention that I was talking to a long time ago telling me, Trenius, when are you going to move to LA? Trenius, are you in LA? Trenius, you calling me, are you in LA? Trenius, oh my God, are you still going to Los Angeles? Now the universe is talking through other people to pressure me and to keep my intention and focus set on Los Angeles. And to also confirm to me as a signal that I am living in Los Angeles. You know, I can't escape it now. When I go to Instagram and I see somebody that uploaded a picture on Instagram and I look at my newsfeed, on the top, up under their name, it says Los Angeles, California. I have a friend who just called me out the blue not too long ago, a couple days ago, and they moved to Los Angeles, California. I was like, wow, you moved to Los Angeles, California? That's where I stay. You know, present tense, that's where I stay. You know, I have another friend who also moved to Los Angeles, California. And every time I get on my Instagram, I have to see pictures of him. You know, he's taking pictures. He's proud to be in Los Angeles, and he's taking pictures all the time. So that's another impression upon my mind that I must get to Los Angeles, California. So upon me setting that intention a long time ago, before that, I was not seeing anything about Los Angeles. Nobody was moving there or nothing. After I set the intention, that's when the universe began to work in its magical way and began to show me people that stay there, pictures that have been taken there, and you know, videos of people living out there and telling their story about what it's like out there and all this and that. That's when all that stuff came. The signs. The signs. Now, this is exactly how things manifest, folks, and I'm telling you the secret. I'm telling you the secret. When you are wanting to manifest something, what did I tell you in the very beginning of the video that you must do? Set the intention. Then after you set the intention, you have to act. This is where people just get lazy and they just think money gonna grow on trees and it's just gonna fall out the sky and they just gonna get what God is gonna bless them on this day with the thing that they want. The universe ain't gonna give you that because you ain't did nothing. You ain't moved forward in a direction that you already have it. You gotta move forward happiness. You got to feel glad. You got to feel proud that you already have it. And that's when you're going to see the sign. Now, after the sign process is going on, or has already happened, or whatever the case may be, you're seeing signs everywhere. This is where you continuously remain calm. You just be chill. Act as though you didn't set no intention, but still say to yourself, oh, California, you know, oh, that thing you want to manifest, oh, yo, Danny, some of y'all want to manifest a new man. Oh, Danny, I see him. Oh, my God. He looked just like Danny. Danny, I want you so bad. Oh, you remind me of Danny. Oh, who's that? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't pay me no mind. You know how y'all girls is. But you have to behave yourself. Be cool, calm, and collective. I know some people that are manifesting things, they get really, really frustrated. Like, oh my gosh, I'm getting frustrated. You know, I used to do that too. You know, I used to do that. I had somebody that sent me a message yesterday, and it was like, Trenius, I just had an anxiety panic attack because I'm not manifesting the thing that I want. I say, relax, cool, calm, collective, just chill. Continue to act as though you didn't set the intention for the thing that you want. See the signs. After you see the signs, be cool, calm, and collective. Even though you see the signs, don't start feeling like, you know, egotistical and prideful. Like, oh, yeah, I got this. Don't. The universe is like a person. Like, if you do too much or do too little, it's gonna like not even manifest it. You gotta be just right. You gotta be humble. You gotta walk that thin line. You gotta just, when a sign show or something, somebody praises you and tell you, you know, oh my God, you do look like the next top model. You manifested, you want to be a model. You got to be like, well, thank you. You know, well, thank you. You know, thank you. Anyway, but so what I was saying was, you know what I'm saying, you got to continuously be humble, continue to just persevere and move in that forward progress, going up, you know, in expectation, because you're gonna get exactly what you want to manifest, folks. And this is exactly how things manifest. Things come to you in manifestation like tools in a toolbox. The universe does not necessarily give you the whole lump sum right away when you hit the lottery. You just get increments every year. You know what I mean? Yeah, like just like hitting the lottery. The universe is gonna give you a spray bottle, and you're gonna be like, and the spray bottle is gonna say some name on it that signifies to you the thing that you set the intention for, that you want to manifest. You're gonna be like, oh, this little spray bottle, like, oh, it has the name of the shoes that I want on it. How fancy. It gave you that spray bottle so that you can go clean off your old shoes and be happy that you got those. Put some water in the little spray bottle and some soap, some disintergent or something. It gave you that so you can clean off all the shoes that's dirty, for you know, so you can manifest the new shoe that you want. Universe is weird like that. You know what I mean? You got to figure out what to do with all the tools that the universe is giving to you up into the grand manifestation, and when it comes, okay? It's going to give you tools. It's going to throw you little trinkets and little small people, you know, people around, not small people, but people and all this and that you can value and use as tools. Things that you can use as tools, you know, to get yourself to, you know, the manifestation, folks. And this is another easy way of how to explain manifestation. I hope that this video helped you out a lot. Here's another video up here that you can click on how to exactly manifest anything, behind the scenes manifestation. I think that's what that video called. Check that video out if you need more insight on how to manifest the thing that you want and want to know what goes on behind the scenes of manifestation. Make sure you subscribe down here in the bottom right hand corner, that red subscribe word down there, yeah, with the little YouTube thing beside it. Oh, and hit the bell too, the bell notification, because I upload videos every single day, every 24 hours, sometimes 2 videos a day, and I want you to be notified to know exactly when I uploaded the video. All right, that's it, folks. Oh, and by the way, if you want to be a part of RIM Team and you don't just want to be a subscriber and you need me as your law of attraction manifestation life coach, see my website. Just go to the description section of this video at the very bottom. Go to my website. You'll see the link. When you get to the website, you'll see where it says RIM Team Sign Up. Go to RIM Team Sign Up. You'll see all the different services that I have, and you just pick a service that you want that you know fits your wallet, and I'll be talking to you as fast as you know it. So thank you so much for tuning in, folks. I love y'all. Peace and blessings. Continue to manifest the things that you want, and be certain that you already have it. Feel it. Visualize it. Get happy. You should be able to taste it. You should be able to feel it. You should be able to feel like you're already there. Okay? Speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below and let us know what you're trying to manifest. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.